Cryptoastrology. Cryptoastrology is a method that uses the positions and movements of celestial bodies such as planets and stars to predict the movements of financial markets, including cryptocurrencies. The basis of this technique is the belief that astrological phenomena affect the psychology of the masses, which then impacts investment decisions and asset price movements in the market. One concept often used in financial astrology is Mercury retrograde, a period when Mercury appears to move backwards from the Earth's vantage point. Astrology practitioners believe that Mercury retrograde creates uncertainty and chaos, which can be reflected in market price fluctuations, including cryptocurrencies. In September 2021, when Mercury retrograde takes place, in that month, the prices of Bitcoin and several major altcoins experienced a sharp correction, with Bitcoin falling about 10% from its peak. Some crypto astrologers claimed that they had predicted this drop due to the planet's position at the time. However, traditional financial analysts attributed the decline to other factors such as regulatory uncertainty in China and the United States. Cryptonumerology. Numerology is the study of the mystical meaning of numbers, and in the crypto context, some people use numerology to try to predict the price or market movements of cryptocurrencies. In numerology, each number has a specific energy vibration that can affect events or circumstances in the real world. Some numerologists believe that numbers associated with cryptocurrency launch dates, project codes, or price patterns can provide clues about future market movements. An obvious example of the use of numerology in crypto is the Bitcoin BTC number analysis. In numerology, each letter in the alphabet has an associated number. BTC consists of the letters B worth 2, T worth 20, and C worth 3, which are interpreted by some numerologists as numbers with significance. For example, the number 2 in numerology is often associated with balance and duality, while the number 3 is associated with creativity and growth. Some numerologists believe that significant changes in Bitcoin price occur on dates with specific number patterns, such as on date numbers or around price levels like $10,000 or $50,000. This was the case in December 2017 when some numerologists predicted a surge in the price of Bitcoin as it approached the important $20,000 mark. They believe that this number has a strong symbolic meaning, and although Bitcoin did peak around that number, the price increase was more likely due to a surge in investor demand and speculation in the market rather than numerological factors. Tarot divination for crypto. Tarot divination is a technique that uses tarot cards to gain insight into the future. Each tarot card has a specific meaning, and when drawn in a certain pattern or spread, the combination of cards can provide a picture or clue regarding events that will occur. In the cryptocurrency world, some people use tarot cards to try to predict market movements, whether the price of Bitcoin or certain altcoins will rise or fall. The way it works, a tarot practitioner will ask a specific question such as, will the price of Bitcoin go up this week, or is a certain altcoin a good investment? Then they will draw a tarot card from the deck, and the interpretation of the drawn card will provide an answer. For example, if the Fool card is drawn, it may be interpreted as a new opportunity, risk-taking courage, or the beginning phase of something new, which some may associate with a price increase. Conversely, if a card like the Tower appears, it might be interpreted as a sign of destruction or sudden change, which could be interpreted as a potential price drop. A case in point that is often talked about in the community is a tarot reading in early 2021, when a tarot practitioner on a crypto forum predicted a large increase in the price of Bitcoin based on the combination of the cards the Star, which symbolizes hope and guidance, and the Sun, which means happiness and success. In reality, Bitcoin did experience a huge rise to reach $60,000 in April 2021, although many analysts believe that this rise was driven more by increased institutional investor demand and wider adoption rather than the result of the tarot prediction. Dowsing with a pendulum for crypto. Dowsing or penduluming is a mystical method that uses a pendulum-like device to get answers to certain questions. The pendulum is usually suspended on a thread or chain and will move in a specific pattern, usually circular or back and forth. Practitioners believe that the pendulum's movement is influenced by natural energies or vibrations that can provide insight into the future, including in predicting cryptocurrency prices. In the context of cryptocurrencies, dowsing is used to answer questions such as, will the price of Bitcoin rise tomorrow? Or is it the right time to buy Ethereum? A pendulum would be held above a flat surface and its movement interpreted as a yes or no answer. For example, if the pendulum swings in a circle, it might be considered a positive answer, yes, while a back and forth movement could be considered a negative answer, no. Pendulums are often seen as a tool to access the subconscious or metaphysical energy. A small crypto community in 2019 mentioned that some dowsing practitioners use pendulums to determine the best time to buy XRP Ripple. Based on the pendulum's yes answer, they bought the coin at a low price, and a few weeks later, the price of XRP experienced a significant increase. While some community members took this as proof of the accuracy of dowsing, analysts pointed out that the price increase was more likely due to positive developments in Ripple's technology and widespread partnership news. Lunar astrology. Lunar astrology is the belief that the phases of the moon, such as the new moon, full moon, and various other cycles, affect human feelings and actions, which in turn affect financial markets, including cryptocurrencies. In this technique, investors pay attention to lunar cycles to determine moments that are considered favorable or unfavorable for making trades or investments. Practitioners of lunar astrology believe that full moons often bring high emotions and can cause volatility in the market. A new moon, on the other hand, is considered a time for new beginnings, so it is considered a good moment for investment. Some crypto traders use the lunar calendar to decide when to buy or sell crypto assets. They believe that certain phases of the moon have a significant influence on investor behavior. A specific example of this occurred in January 2018, when some in the crypto astrology community predicted that Bitcoin price would experience a major correction after the full moon. At the time, Bitcoin's price had indeed experienced a significant decline after peaking in late 2017. While many followers of lunar astrology believe that the phase of the moon influences the price, traditional analysts attribute the price drop to fundamental factors, such as excessive market speculation and a sell-off by institutional investors after the massive euphoria. Financial feng shui. Feng shui is an ancient Chinese practice that focuses on structuring space and energy in the physical environment to create balance and harmony, which is believed to affect various aspects of life, including luck and wealth. In the context of cryptocurrency, some people apply the principles of feng shui to create an environment that is thought to bring good luck in crypto investment and trading. One aspect of feng shui used is the arrangement of a workspace or crypto trading area in a way that supports the flow of positive energy qi. Some practitioners believe that placing certain objects in strategic positions around the workspace, such as dragon statues, money plants, or lucky coins, can increase the chances of financial success. In addition, certain colors associated with wealth, such as red and gold, are often used in workspace decor to increase lucky energy in terms of finances. An example of the application of feng shui in crypto occurs when some traders use feng shui to determine when they should make trades based on the Chinese calendar. For example, many traders avoid making large transactions on Chinese New Year, as it is considered an unstable time and can bring bad luck. In contrast, certain dates in the lunar calendar associated with the element of wealth, such as metal years, are considered more favorable times to invest. In 2020, when the crypto market began to recover after a major downturn in 2018, some feng shui practitioners believe that the resurgence in crypto prices coincided with the positive energy of the year of the metal rat, which is believed to bring good luck in terms of wealth and financial growth. However, many financial analysts attribute this rise to increased institutional interest and development of blockchain technology, rather than the result of feng shui principles. I Ching in crypto. The I Ching is one of the classic ancient Chinese texts used as a divination tool and philosophical guidance. The I Ching works based on a system of hexagrams, 6 lines that result from the combination of 2 types of lines: whole lines, yang, and broken lines, yin. Each combination of hexagrams has a different meaning and interpretation, which is thought to provide insight into a situation or the future. In the context of cryptocurrency, some people use I Ching to decide when to buy, sell, or hold crypto assets. The way I Ching works in crypto divination usually involves flipping a coin 3 times or using a yarrow rod to determine the lines of a hexagram. Once the hexagram is formed, the practitioner will read its interpretation from the Book of Changes to gain insight into the market situation. For example, the Qian Heaven hexagram is often associated with strength, creativity, and initiative, which can be interpreted as a good time to make investments. Conversely, the Kun Earth hexagram, which reflects acceptance and patience, may be considered a sign to refrain from big decisions or wait for better opportunities. An example of I Ching's use in crypto was once mentioned on a Reddit forum, where an I Ching practitioner claimed that he used this divination to decide on an investment in Ethereum in early 2017. Based on the interpretation of the resulting hexagram, which is said to favor growth and creativity, the practitioner decided to invest, and Ethereum did experience a significant spike that year, rising from around $10 at the start of the year to over $700 by the end of the year. However, the price spike was more likely due to fundamental factors such as increased adoption and development of decentralized applications, DApps, on the Ethereum network. Crypto market psychometry. Psychometry is a divination technique in which a practitioner claims to be able to read the energy or vibration of certain physical objects to gain insight into the past, present, or future. In the crypto context, some individuals use psychometry by holding physical objects related to cryptocurrencies, such as computers, hardware wallets, or private keys, to try to sense the energy associated with crypto market conditions. The way this works is that a practitioner will hold or touch an object used for crypto trading activities and try to capture the intuitive information emitted by the object. They believe that the objects are absorbing energy or vibrations from the market activity they are associated with. Practitioners may feel that the object is emitting positive or negative energy, which they then use to decide whether the market will go up or down. This is a very intuitive and personal process with no tools or other physical methods involved. In 2018, when the cryptocurrency market experienced a drastic drop after the price peak in late 2017, some psychometric practitioners in the crypto mystical community claimed that they felt strong negative energy from their hard wallets, which they thought indicated further price drops. These practitioners then warned their communities to sell assets before further declines. Coin toss in crypto. Coin toss is a very simple method and is often considered the most basic form of divination, where a coin is tossed to determine a yes or no answer. In the context of cryptocurrency, some traders who believe in this mystical technique will use the coin toss to make trading-related decisions, such as when to buy or sell crypto assets. It works by asking specific questions before tossing the coin, such as, should I buy Bitcoin today? Or will the price of Ethereum go up tomorrow? After that, the coin is flipped and the results are interpreted according to preset rules. For example, heads means yes and tails means no. For those who use this method, the result of the coin toss is considered a clue from the forces of nature of their own intuition. Dream interpretation. Dream interpretation is a practice where a person tries to find hidden meanings or messages from their dreams and relate them to real-world situations. In the context of cryptocurrency, some people believe that dreams can provide clues about investment decisions, such as when to buy or sell crypto assets. They believe that their subconscious is capable of picking up signals or information that the conscious mind is not aware of, and through dreams, these clues emerge. The way this technique works is very subjective. People who believe in dream interpretation will analyze the elements in their dreams and try to interpret them as symbols related to the crypto market. For example, if someone dreams about money flying or gold going missing, they might interpret it as a sign that the price of the cryptocurrency they own will drop, so they decide to sell. Conversely, a dream about finding treasure or other symbols of wealth might be interpreted as a hint that the price will rise. A real-life example of the use of dream interpretation in crypto occurred when some users on a Reddit forum claimed that they decided to buy Dogecoin after dreaming about dogs or symbols of wealth. In early 2021, Dogecoin experienced a significant price spike, which coincided with the predictions of several people who claimed to have gotten clues from their dreams. While some took this as evidence of the validity of dream interpretation, analysts saw the spike as more related to endorsements from figures like Elon Musk and viral social media campaigns. Aura reading. Aura reading is a practice in which a person claiming to have psychic or spiritual abilities reads the aura or energy surrounding a person or object to gain insight into their condition, including health, emotions, or future situation. In the context of cryptocurrency, some individuals believe that they can read the aura of the market or even the auras of individuals involved in crypto trading to predict price movements. The way aura reading works usually involves someone having the ability to see or feel the aura of a person or object. In crypto, aura readers may focus their energy on objects related to trading activity, such as hardware, computers, or even crypto exchange accounts. They may sense a positive aura that is perceived to reflect opportunities for price growth, or a negative aura that is perceived as a sign of decline. Examples of the use of aura reading in crypto have been discussed in some online spiritual communities where people claim that they can read the aura of the crypto market. In early 2020, when Bitcoin was experiencing a steady rise in price, one aura reading practitioner claimed to have read a very positive aura from the crypto community and felt that it was the right time to buy the digital asset. In the end, the price of Bitcoin did rise significantly throughout the year, peaking in late 2020. Financial geomancy. Geomancy is a method of divination that originated in the Middle East and later developed in Europe in the Middle Ages. In practice, geomancy involves creating random patterns on earth, sand, or paper, and then the patterns are interpreted to provide insight into the future. In the context of cryptocurrencies, financial geomancy is used to look for clues or predictions about crypto market movements, such as when is the right time to buy or sell digital assets. Classic geomancy involves drawing random dots or lines on a particular medium, usually sand or dirt, and then organizing the results into a series of shapes or patterns. Each pattern is associated with an element of nature, such as fire, water, air, and earth, each symbolizing a specific aspect of life. Once the patterns are formed, the practitioner will interpret them based on the symbolic meaning of each element. In financial geomancy, these patterns are interpreted to provide clues about market trends or investment decisions. For example, if the resulting pattern contains the fire element, it may be interpreted as a sign of fast and volatile price movements, possibly indicating high market volatility or short-term trading opportunities. Conversely, a pattern containing the earth element may be interpreted as stability, which could be a sign to hold assets or make long-term investments. An example of the application of financial geomancy in crypto is when some geomancy practitioners in the spiritual community claimed to use this method in 2018, just before Bitcoin crashed from its peak in late 2017. They interpreted the patterns they created as warning signs of a market crash, and some of them reportedly managed to avoid heavy losses by selling assets before the price drop. However, market analysts attribute the price crash to fundamental factors such as heavy selling and uncontrolled market speculation.